So if you've ever wanted to give someone something super unique but super high quality, all while not having to have really any skills at all, this is the video for you. I'm gonna lay down 5 things that you can give your friends or family that are basically free to create and will impress the hell out of them. Gift number 1 is one of my favorites, just a full custom AI game. Anybody can do this just with your natural language. You can literally speak to the AI and you can develop a game with you and your friends or you and your family or anybody. I covered the full breakdown of this in my last video, so if you want a full guide to do that, it's a bit more complicated than the other things in this list, but it's a showstopper. Like anyone that I've done this to, they just like die laughing.
Oh, I'm dead, bro. How do I get him out, bro?
They can't believe it's real and they want more. Don't know anything about video games. I know nothing about how to create them or anything, but I do know how to speak words and I do know how to envision stuff, and all I gotta do is envision stuff and speak the words into Claude or speak the words into OpenAI, and it does it completely for me. So you can do this with anybody. It can be a fighting style like I did with me and my friend Alan, or it could be like this game right here where I took 3 of my friends that I live with in Los Angeles. I recreated the Los Angeles house, and then I had a inside joke mission happen where we had to kick this guy out of our house. If this is for, say, something like Mother's Day, you could 3D model your mom's entire house, and maybe she's really into dogs, and you can do like a game where you can take the dogs on a walk. But if you're gonna go this route, I highly encourage you to input like inside jokes that only you guys would know, just because it makes it a lot more better. This next one is a classic and probably the most simple on the list, but it still like has a huge impact, especially I've noticed on the older generation. Essentially what you're gonna wanna do is go to your grandmas or grandpas or anybody who has those old photo books. You find photos of them in the 40s and the 50s and the 60s, and you snap those photos and you simply just animate it. Now this animation can be done by just uploading it to Grok. You could upload it to Higgsfield. The whole point of this gift is essentially taking these multi-decade old photos and breathing life into them in an authentic way. These video generators have gotten to the point where it actually looks good. Before, like, you would take an image and then it would like smear their faces and change a bunch of stuff, but now it's gotten so good that it looks super realistic, and you can even add custom prompts to make them do certain things. Maybe this would be where you put in an inside joke of something that you know happened that day, but it's not in the photo and there's no video of it. Trust me on this one, especially the grandparents just love that one, because I can't imagine what's going on in their mind where they're looking at a photo that they've seen for 60 years of themselves and they're seeing it turn into a video. Like, imagine what that must be like for them. It always blows their mind. That's why you see this so much on Facebook. Now this next one can be highly effective, especially if your friends or family have some sort of business, or it could just be them as some sort of entity, like they just want to show off some sort of portfolio. Maybe your friend's an actor, maybe a musician, maybe they're just a media buyer. This one is awesome because you don't have to know anything about developing a website, and you can create them an incredible website now with AI. So I did this recently for my buddy Mikey. He let me stay at his Denver place when I was visiting Colorado recently, and he owns an auto body shop. So as a thank you, I took his current website, which you're seeing right here, and I transformed it into this website seen right here. Now, as you can see, as I scroll down, I added a bunch of animations and a bunch of videos. All this was done in a very simple way. I essentially just generated all these videos on Higgsfield using Seed Dance 2.0. And then I took all those videos and gave it to Claude, and I had it stitch them all together, all through my natural language. I don't type the AIs, I simply speak it. I say, hey, these are some video assets I want to do. Here's my idea. And then I probably gave it like a 4-minute voice note of essentially me saying exactly what's in my head, just rambling on. I'm highly encourage you guys, if you want to make something in your head, you just ramble on with all the details you can possibly muster, give it the assets, and then it'll come out like this. And as you can see at the bottom of this website, one of my favorite features is this part where the covers seem to fly off of the cars as they scroll up, and then they come back on as they scroll down. I had no idea how to do this. All I said was, you know, I want this feature where here's the video, and I want to make it so that when they scroll up, the covers come off, and when they scroll down, the covers come back on in like a frame by frame way. And then it did it on its own. And same as you can see here with the detail spot, I basically said like I want to make it so that I can put my cursor over it and show a clean result over like a water spot did car. And then it told me that I needed 2 images, and then I imported those images, and then it did it myself. So this is a lot less complicated than you can even imagine. And next on the list, it's the easiest one by far, but it's also brought to you by today's sponsor, BuildYourStore.ai. BuildYourStore.ai gives you a completely free dropshipping store with tons of product in seconds. They have tons of winning products you can choose from, highly tested, highly converting themes. You can choose custom themes and products to fit to whoever you're gifting this for. Now, this is a great gift for that person that, you know, is in your family or friend circle, and they always talk about wanting to start an online business, but they never end up doing it. It's eerily effective giving somebody a starting point like this. Now, when you generate a store through buildyourstore.ai, it's not going to be a multi-million-dollar hit. But what it's going to do is give somebody an actual starting point that's not nothing. Because oftentimes I've seen a lot of people just talk about how they want to do this, talk about how they want to do that, especially in the online business circle. But then they never get any momentum. This can be a gift that gives that person the momentum to continuously move forward, push forward, and eventually become a successful entrepreneur, specifically in the online business dropshipping niche. Right now, they're even throwing a .store domain in for free, so you don't even have to buy a domain to start. This is truly the gift that keeps on giving. So if you want to give someone a gift like that, buildyourstore.ai is a great place to start. Last and definitely not least, this is one of my favorite ones and one of the most mind-blowing ones I could possibly think of, but you recreate a memory that has happened. Now, the reason this is so crazy to me is I've done this with a few of my favorite memories of all time, like some of the funniest moments. This moment right here. I have never laughed harder in my entire life when this gentleman was swinging a stick and he let go of it at the perfect time, so perfectly that the stick hovered like a UFO while it spun 60 degrees midair. And then when it got to that 540 degree angle, the inertia pushed it forward and hit my friend Jacob directly in the nuts, and he went down. And when I tell you, I didn't stop laughing for about 2 to 4 months after that. Like even right now, I'm holding back laughter. But as you can see in the video right here, I recreated that memory. And essentially how I did this was I had a picture of the environment of which it happened because I took a picture of that sunset. And then I uploaded every single individual who was there's face on a Canva board. And then I uploaded that into Higgsfield, specifically Seed Dance 2.0. And then I talked to ChatGPT. And again, I just splurged all these ideas out with a voice note where I explained the entire situation. It was about a 2 to 3 minute voice note where I went into detail everything. And then I said, using all this information, give me a video prompt for Seed Dance 2.0 that I can give with the images of all the people involved. And side note, it's good to make a Canva reference photo like this. That way you can actually name each person by name, because if not, you're just going to be like bogged down with descriptions of the guy with the long hair, and then it's going to get really confusing. So it's best to do it like this. And then you just generate a few videos and you're going to be mind blown at the results. So this could be, you know, your parents' wedding, maybe their camera got taped over or something like that, or your grandparents' wedding, no one even had a camera back then. You can just use old photos as reference photos, get old photos from, you know, the venue, and then you stitch it all together using these methods, and you can actually have a video. Like, think of all the memories, not only in your head, but in your friends' heads, in your family's heads. You can pluck those memories out and actually have it recorded. And that gives me the chills. And that's where I want to end this video essentially on. We are living in a time where whatever going on in your head, you can actually materialize it into the world. This is like true manifestation. But this is a true manifestation that's happening in real time, where you can take that memory like Black Mirror, put it on a screen like that. And in the future, it's going to be as simple as thinking about it. But for now, you actually have to put in a little bit of work in order to do it. So guys, let me know what you think about this in the comments. I think these are some of the best gifts you could possibly give anybody in the modern day, because especially if they know nothing about AI, this is just going to blow their minds. Thank you very much.